In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a redeem code in Monopoly Go. Whether you're a seasoned player looking for a little extra help or a newcomer eager to take full advantage of what the game offers, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Monopoly Go website. Open up your favorite web browser and enter the URL monopolygo.com. Once you're on the homepage, you might find it filled with exciting content and updates about the game. Familiarizing yourself with this site will definitely be useful as you continue to play. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the reward codes section. This is where you'll be able to enter your unique code to unlock special features, bonuses, or content. Typically, this section is easy to spot, often displayed prominently on the home page or perhaps within a menu. Keep an eye out for it, as it's your gateway to accessing those exclusive rewards. Once you found the reward code section, go ahead and click on it. Now you should see a field or box where you can type in your reward code. Make sure you have your code handy. This code might be obtained through promotions, special offers, or even through partnerships that extend exclusive opportunities to the players. It's always worthwhile to keep an eye out for these chances to boost your game experience. Carefully type your reward code into the provided field. Double check your entry to ensure there are no typos or spaces that could prevent the code from being accepted. Accuracy here is crucial to ensure that you successfully receive your reward. After entering your code, the next step is straightforward. Click on Go. This action submits your code for validation. If the code is correct and valid, you should see a confirmation message, or perhaps even a delightful animation celebrating your successful redemption. Should you encounter any issues during this process, don't worry. It could be something as simple as a typo in the code, or perhaps the code has expired. Should this happen, double check the code and ensure it's right. If problems persist, you may need to contact their customer support team for further assistance. And that's it. Following these steps should help you successfully redeem your code and enjoy the benefits that come with it. Don't forget to take advantage of these amazing opportunities whenever they come your way to make the most out of your Monopoly Go experience. We hope you found this guide easy to follow. Happy gaming, and may your properties always yield the highest returns.